Everybody, it's in here doing reviews. And if you are looking for a fun activity for you and the kids, you can use this in the car. You're going to limit that screen time, put those devices down. And this here is a puzzle. This is going to be a super slide by Giiker. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review. And what is this? Well, this is here how you're going to try to solve puzzles. This is going to take batteries and you're going to turn it on with this red button. And then you're going to be greeted with a little LCD screen here, and you can cycle through to different levels. So we can go to level 1, right? And this is going to lay out first how you should lay out your screen. You're given these tiles, they're magnetic, and they're going to show you where you need to place. Once you have that pattern in place, you'd actually click in the red button here to set the game. And basically, let me see, I think I'm on 4. Let's see if this is the right puzzle. It is. So where are we missing? That goes there. So you can see here, I now have the puzzle in place. This actually goes that way and I can hit start. Now your goal is to get, without picking pieces up, is to get this red square down here to match this. You see that? And so you need to move these pieces around to get that red square down in its home without picking pieces up. So it becomes challenging. There's numerous levels. This is a great fun toy to take in the car. There's 500 levels actually, which is insane. There's time limit challenges. And again, this is like a retro handheld design, handheld game. It's a very interactive console. It's going to help with motor skills. It's going to help challenge your brain. It's going to help pass time if you're in the airport, in the car for long car rides. And this is a very fun game. And just to show you, I'm going to cheat here so you can hear what it does. But once you were to get this successfully down, you would see here that you get this little animation and then you move on to the next level. Again, there's 500 levels on this. This thing is super cool. Definitely check this out if you're looking for a fun puzzle.